Magic Link login feature is a simple, secure way for users to log in without needing a password. First, let's activate the Magic Link feature. Start by navigating to the Overview section in your WP Ghost dashboard. Find and enable the Magic Link option. Once activated, this feature will automatically add a new Magic Link login option to your login page. It's important to note that you'll need an email delivery plugin for your site to send out Magic Links properly. This ensures that the login emails reach users without delay. Now, let's check out the login page. You should see the Login using Magic Link option available. Click on it, then enter the email address associated with your account and press Send. Within a minute, you'll receive an email with a unique access link. Click on the link in your email and you'll be logged in instantly, no password required. And for added security, remember that each link is single use and will deactivate after it's accessed. That's it. You've successfully set up and tested the Magic Link login feature in WP Ghost. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.